Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be in discussion of the accounting grade 10 term 3 scope. So within term 3 there are going to be 11 weeks to be exact, where you're going to be learning throughout the whole term. So without wasting any time, let's deep dive within the scope of what you're going to learn throughout the whole 11 weeks or 10 weeks provided for. So within the first week until week 3, you're going to learn about the year-end accounting procedures, pre and post adjustment, trial balance, and final account. So within this, it's the continuation of year-end procedures from term 2. Adjustment after depreciation. I'm sorry about that. Trading, stock, deficit and surplus, consumable stores on hand, accrued income, accrued expenses, prepaid expenses, income received in advance, deferred income, interest capitalized, correction of errors and omissions such as bad debts, salaries, etc., etc., extracting a post-adjustment trial balance in the correct format, completing the final account to show gross and net profit, preparation of post-closing trial balance, depreciation, templates for the correct formats of the different financial statements, accounting stationery, including worksheets and or templates, etc., etc. Within week 4 to week 7, there's gonna be a teaching, or you're gonna be taught the preparation of final statements, which the statement of comprehensive income. You're gonna learn the format and arrangement, recognize and deal with nominal accounts as opposed to balance sheet accounts, explanation of headings and subheadings in relation to the format, dealing with adjustment in the acceptable procedures, statement of the financial position, notes to the final statements, etc., etc., things like that. Within week 8 until week 10, you're gonna deep dive into the analysis and interpretation of financial statement topic, introduction and relevance of financial statements, calculation and discussion of relevant financial indicators, probability. We're going to learn about probability, liquidity, solvency, and return. So within the probability, there'll be a gross profit on sales, gross profit on cost of sales, net profit of sales, operating expenses on sales, operating profit of sales, liquidity. You're going to learn about current ratio, asset test ratio. Within the solvency, you'll learn about the solvency ratio, and within the return owner's equity is what you're going to learn. Discuss in relation to the appropriate financial statements, interpretation, explanation of comparing percentages and ratios to provide meaningful comments and analysis. So within week 11, we are going to be done with everything, or within everything of accounting grade 10 term 3 is going to be closed on. So it will be a revision, control, test, remediation of everything that you have learned, or of anything that is being provided for. So these are the things that you're gonna learn within accounting grade 10 term 3.